All right, if you beautiful people want to see how I achieve this quick, beginner, user friendly wig, then stay tuned until the end of this video and you will see how I got this. Look at me, look, it's so cute. Flaunt it, boo, flaunt it. Yes, honey. All right, you guys, guess what? I'm back. So now we're gonna be putting on my wig, honey. I did my hair, washed it, braided it up. Now today is part 2 where I put on my wig. So I already have my cap on, Normally I add a little extra color, sometimes if it fades or if I wash my cap before. But just for the purpose of this video, we're just gonna leave it like this. I don't do really the cutting and pulling over my ears and like, I don't do all of that. I just literally just put the cap on and then put my wig on top. So this is the wig that I'm going to be using for today. I got this off of What Lace Wigs from Sensational Wigs. So I can put that down in the description box below. It was long, but I cut it because this is literally my work wig. And I literally put this on and then just put my hair in a bun. So I'm going to go through that process with me putting on my wig. So I will be back. All right, so I'm back. So what I'm going to use today is this Got2b freeze spray. What everybody else uses. I'm going to have a little bit of edge control for the edges. My edge brush. Just need a comb and a brush just to comb everything out. And also a scarf to tie it down, honey, to melt that lace even more. All right, so what I'm gonna do also, we need clips. So I have my clips here. So we're gonna clip it up afterwards. So I'm gonna put this on first. Okay, it's gonna look a little funny first. That's why you play around with it, but I clip the back. All right, so I have the wig on. I adjusted a little bit to how I want it to be. All right, you guys, and just for warning, this is how I put on my wigs, okay? Everyone probably doesn't do it the same, but this is how I do mine. So I take the hair, I put it behind my ear. Put it behind my ear. And for me, I just bring just a little bit, not too much, of the hair in the front to the front, because I use this to anchor it down. And then I do my baby hairs and stuff. Okay. Just a little bit to anchor it down. The rest literally goes behind my ear. And this is why I have this, to just anchor it and hold it down while I comb it back. Yo, I really love this wig and this wig line. I have so many from this line. Oops, hair in my eye. All right, so now just clip back so we keep it out the way. Clip back, and that way you keep it out of the way. And that's why I keep these out, so I can tug using and I comb it back and do my edges later. And it's already pre-parted how I want it to go, so I don't have to worry about the part. All right, so now I'm gonna use my blow dryer and my glue. So for me, I just lift up a little bit, spray, sit it on there, blow dry. Okay? So I just twist it up a little bit. Twist it up. Take the comb, press it down, make sure it's nice and sturdy. And then I repeat it throughout my whole head over here. So we'll just roll right into that part, okay? All right. So now that part is over with. We got it down. It's nice and sturdy. Now it's edges time. That's the fun part. I leave it long no matter what. I know some people cut theirs. I normally put it back, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show you how I make my edges without cutting my hair. Because for work, I just need quick, little, simple hairstyles because I literally just roll this in a bun. So I just go ahead and put the edge control along the sides. I don't go far down. I just do the roots, technically. The roots. Alright. Use the comb end. And I literally just swoop. Keep swooping, just keep swooping. That's pretty basic. It's pretty basic for me, but this is how I like it because it's just literally I go to work. So yeah, so that's this part. I am gonna wipe it up, but I'm gonna put my scarf on first and then style, come back, wipe up, clean up, and then you see how it looks. I'm excited, y'all. Excited. And I hope you're liking this video. If you're liking me, do this, like, comment, and subscribe below. This is a beginner because literally I'm still a beginner at doing my wigs myself. So this is just how I do mine, especially when it's quick and for work, you know. So I tie my scarf up like this. It's a big scarf, no matter which one you use. Doesn't matter which, and I just do just the edges. And then we're gonna use this mousse. You can get this literally at your beauty supply stores. So just put some, literally that much in your hands. Just so it pretty much stays in place. So I let my hair dry a little bit off camera, came back on, styled it, and then it just sits like this. And now I'm gonna take my scarf off, and I'm just gonna use one of these wipes to just clean up the edges, you know? All right, let's see. Look at there, honey. Your girl got a whole wig on. Cute, ain't it? So we just gonna take a little wipe. Just gonna put in my finger like this. I literally just wipe the top just to clean it up. Wipe along the sides like that. Clean it up. So you don't have like the glue or gel or anything just sitting. But that's pretty much it. That's it. You wipe wipe it up, clean up my wig on in under maybe 10 minutes. But this is what I do for work, honestly, honey. But, okay, I just start to feel myself a little bit. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this. This is just me putting on my wig every day for work. Literally, I only styled it for this video, but I would literally just put this back in a bun, pull it back, put it in a bun, and I would go to work just like that. But, you know, I had to be a little cute with it for my video for today. So if you guys did enjoy this video, you want to see me do more beginner wigs and stuff like that, I am down for it. I'm here for it because I literally got 2 wigs in the mail. So I'm excited. I can do a try on for those if you guys would like. Just leave me a comment down below if you want me to do that. I will do it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time.